Hi, this video is about easy seamless pillow construction. As usual, I begin with chain stitch foundation and making small backside of 6 double crochet rows. Then follow working chain stitch foundation for the backside. Here I have to join into the first double crochet and change the yarn at the same time because it's a mosaic. Work single stitches in the back loop and continue working in the round, also in the chain stitches. Changing the yarns again, you can pull through a hook and make a slip stitch. Or for the better result, pull the loop through and tighten it. And make slip stitch and single turning stitch. I held double crochets in the third row according to the pattern, but on the back side I continue crocheting single crochets in order to have nice button band. Only from 9th row I begin working the pattern in the round, also on the back side. If you want to use ordinary buttons, make buttonholes of 3 or 4 stitches. The cushion is almost ready. Fold the small part inside. So I will close the top and these two small lengths. Other possibility, first leave the top open and seam along the perimeter. So I prefer the push buttons, but the ordinary buttons are also good. More information about this pattern is in the description below, and thanks for watching.